Hello and welcome to our video tutorials series. In this video, we show you how to install an SSL certificate. Log into our panel and then click on Domains in the side menu. Navigate into your domain group and find the domain where you wish to install the SSL certificate. Under the SSL label, you will see a little gray icon that shows you that your domain does not have the SSL certificate installed. Click on the Actions button. Under the SSL Certificate section, click on the Install SSL Certificate button. The Let's Encrypt certificate provider is already pre-selected, so let's go with that one and click on the Install button. Now you can see that the installation status is in the pending state. Close the Actions window and reload the domain list. You can see that the installation is in progress. Soon, your SSL certificate will be installed. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.